It was an early morning shoot at Marana Community Aquatic Center. I was LAANC approved and Part 107 certified, doing everything by the book. It was about this time early in the flight when I noticed the Marana police squad car parked out front. And then, just like that, the officer shows up, and I think this could get interesting real quick. Turns out, the officer couldn't have been cooler about it. Genuinely curious about the drone, asked great questions, and wished me the best of luck. Moral of the story, know your regs, fly legal, and most people just think it's cool.